AutoDXF is an add-in for Autodesk Inventor that simplifies and speeds up the workflow with sheet metal parts, especially with exporting and post-processing the sheet metal flat patterns. In this video I'm going to show you the new features in AutoDXF 6.1. Let me first find all sheet metal parts and automatically create their flat patterns. So the program goes through the entire assembly, finds sheet metal parts, lists them here and creates the flat patterns if they don't exist already. Here I get all the parts. I can quickly preview the sheet metal parts here and do some processing if needed. Here we can set the export file location and maybe sort the files by thickness and material, set the file name scheme and select export format. And here we have the post-processing options. Let me edit this preset. What's new in 6.1 is this new option circular cutouts. In addition to previously existing bend marks that create short lines at the starts and the ends of the bend lines to mark the bend line position, now we added this new option. This creates circular cutouts at the starts and the ends of the bend lines, so this should make fabrication of the sheet metal parts easier because the location of the bend can be easily seen. With enabling this option, you can select the circle diameter here and the cutouts will be created automatically during the export. Before we export the files, let me talk about another new option here. With this option, right bend angle, direction and radius, which was already existing, you can add the bending information directly in the XF files on the bending lines. We added a new attribute here that reports the angle measured from the inside of the sheet metal. So ANG was available before, the new one is ANGB that reports the angle from the opposite side. So let me include this information here and let's export the files. We will get 9 files and when the export is finished I will open them in AutoCAD to see what we got. Here they are. So let me just maybe open a few of them to see the result. The circular cutouts create those small moons or half circles at the places where the bend lines end. Those are bend marks. Those can be optionally existing or not, depends on the setting in AutoDXF. And here you have bend information, including angle, direction and radius. This is another example. And this is another example, the loft. Here we have a complication where all the bend lines almost come into one point and we would get a lot of circles all over each other. So with the option remove clusters in AutoDXF, we can exclude creating situations like this. So you can see there are no circles here, but they are in this side. So this is what's new in AutoDXF 6.1. We added this functionality also in AutoDXF 5.6 that covers older versions of Inventor. Those are Inventors from 2022 to 2024. While AutoDXF 6.1 works with Inventor 2025. You can install the demo version of AutoDXF from our website. If you have the commercial license, you can upgrade your software via the link you got when you purchased AutoDXF.